For days where you wish you could eat a whole loaf of banana bread for breakfast, these banana bread pancakes are incredible. Hi, welcome back for another out of this world breakfast recipe. I love banana bread, but I don't always have a full hour to let it bake in the oven. So these pancakes are a great alternative, and I'm going to show you how easy they are to make. In a large bowl, I'm going to combine sifted flour, baking powder, and sugar. Make a well in the middle and set aside. In a blender, combine the milk, egg, melted butter, bananas, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. Blend a medium to high speed until the mixture is smooth. Now I'm going to pour the blended wet ingredient into the flour mixture and combine until there are no clumps. Heat a griddle or large pan to medium-high heat and spread a little butter throughout. Pour 2 tablespoons of batter for each pancake, making sure you spread the batter thin onto the griddle or pan. I'm going to wait until the bubbles form and then I flip. I'm going to brown the other side for about a minute or so, and when they're finished, I'm going to remove them from the pan onto a plate. I love to serve these with maple syrup and some chopped walnuts. These pancakes are delicious, and you can make them gluten-free by using your favorite all-purpose gluten-free flour. And you know what? They freeze great, so you might want to double the batch. For the recipe, make sure you click on the link below. For more videos like this one, browse around your channel and subscribe. See you next time.